National Weather in Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Bell County, southwestern Knox County, southeastern McCreary County, southern Whitley County, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Jellicoe Creek, or near Williamsburg, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Williamsburg, Julia, Artemis, Swan Lake, Clayton, Birdseye, Vern, Gousdale, King, Loudon, Holly Hill, and Polycamp. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Knox, McCreary, and Whitley.